we start with a very solid set of results, and revenue is not an exception. Actually, we have accelerating momentum in revenue across the 4 core OBs, and that's very important because our good financial and commercial results are anchored in our 4 OBs. Spain continue with a very sound commercial performance, adding new customers for various quarters. We have accelerating service revenue and revenue in total, and we have definitely going to the EBITDA growth. Until last year, we managed to grow EBITDA again. Brazil is also growing accesses, ARPU, revenue growing above inflation and posting an improvement in operating cash flow margins. Germany as well, very solid service revenue growth, and they are having also a lot of efficiency, so the operational leverage is improving. And UK is also improving, both stabilizing ARPU, improving churn in mobile, and having better results. So very well anchored in our 4 core OBs, also in the 3 segments, B2C, B2B, and wholesale doing well. And this is not a matter of coincidence. This is because we have been building very strong pillars across the clients. The NPS is very good. We are having low record churn, both in Spain and Brazil, below 1%, and we are using technology as the base of our value proposition, but also as the main lever for efficiency and operational leverage.
Laura, there is an air of what if about the numbers, though. I was on stage with your CEO earlier this year as he was talking about still some of the barriers across in Europe, that the regulation is not friendly and that we could have a better backdrop in the telecommunications networks in Europe. So even as you produce numbers here that are in line as you head towards your own targets, what could be better? What are you still seeing as a challenge in the operating environment?
I think the challenge is that we need a new regulation, because we keep regulation a word that does no longer exist. In the case of Spain, we've been regulated as a monopoly, as a copper company, and we are not anymore the incumbent, we are not anymore the monopoly, we are not anymore the copper. No? So we need a new definition of market. We also need a regulation that goes pro-investment. We are already competing a lot. I mean, customer prices are already very attractive. We are giving better service, better quality, better technological proposition. And we need now a regulation that goes to have stronger companies in Europe, which are so very much needed. So we are positive about that. We see more tailwinds or a neutral environment rather than negative. And we are positive in this environment. Even though we are resilient, we have to stick to our GPS plan, we have to stick up to our numbers, and that's what we are doing. We are delivering what we said despite regulation, but we think it will be more positive going forward because it does not longer serve the purpose.